So have a look at question number 30. This is SPM 1998. So here we have a set of number, 50 scores for a game with mean of 8, standard deviation of 3. Calculate sum x and sum x squared. Now a lot of questions like that, you need to be able to extract or find your sum and sum x squared from your mean and standard deviation. Okay, now go back to formula for mean. Now let me write this down. Mean is sum x over n. We need x divided by 50 score. The result is 8. So my sum x is now 50 times 8, 400. How about your variance or your standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of sum x squared over n minus your mean squared. So my sum x squared, when I divide by n, I minus my mean. What's my mean? 8. I square, I put the square root over, the result is 3. So basically we take 3, you plus with 64, there will be 73, you times with 50, 365. 3650, yeah, sorry, short of 10. So that's your sum x squared. Okay, so that's part A. B, a number of score which has a total value of 100 of 6, sum of squares of 1,200 is removed from set x. Now they can combine the set, they can remove. So in this case you're removing. Okay, just picture this. This is set x. We have 50 numbers. Alright, and this is your set x. I'm going to take out a certain number of values from here. Now my n is now 100, total value of 180. What is the meaning of total value of 180? Y is 180. Now I'm going to use a different symbol because if I use x it's a bit confusing. This is already x, sum y. Y, a certain set of number, I take it out. But my mean is now 6. My mean of y is 6. So if you're given mean and you're given sum, what can we find? We can find n. We can find out how many numbers you actually remove from this set. Divided by 6, division. What do you get? 30. So I'm actually taking out 30 numbers from this set, right? So when you take out 30 numbers from this set, your mean definitely will change. Your variance will also change as well. Yeah, Jun, hello. So okay, so can we talk about your sum? You're given your sum y square is 1000. Let's find out what's your new n now. 50. You take out, you're left with 20. Okay, what's your mean now? I'm going to call it z lah. You want to use another symbol? Okay, maybe I just show you slowly lah. Sum z. Before this, your sum x is 400. You take out 180. You're left with 220. Your sum z square is now 1000. 3650. You minus 1200. You get 2450. So what happened to your new mean? Your new mean is 220 divided by 20, answer 11. What happened to your new standard deviation? Sorry, new variance. We take 2450 divided by 20. There you go, 1.5.